So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon water heater, natural gas. We put a new water heater in here about a year ago. It was April, I believe, 10th, 2017. And we reinstalled an existing Grundfos pump. So the Grundfos pump failed. And homeowner still got that. They're going to see if they can get a gasket for it, or I'm not sure what they're going to do with it. But anyway, so on the hot side, there was a pump sitting here. We came out, and where it connects right here was leaking everywhere, all over the top. It had gone down into where the relief valve is at and gotten into the jacket, which in here it's just 2 inches of insulation, top, sides, everything, and then just saturated everything all the way down the jacket to the bottom, filled up the bottom, and of course got in underneath the burner assembly. And when that happens, it's trying to breathe through water, and it makes a very loud noise and vibrates the entire home. So anyways, we came out, we pulled the old one out of here just because it's, the insulation's saturated. It's going to sit in there, and it's just going to, grow because of all the water in there. So we pulled the old one out, put a new one in, so you can start your warranty and go to bradfordwhite.com, give them your, the model number and the serial number, which is right there on the tank. Get your new warranty going on it. We did put new supply lines on it, kept the existing shutoff valves. We put that in a year ago. Brand new Falcon stainless steel connector down to a point of connection, brass, and then the same thing on the hot side, down to a point of connection, brass. Used the existing vent pipe because it's a year old, so we didn't change that out. It's all good. And then tied the relief line right back into where it was. The pilot is lit. The burner's going right now, so you should have about an hour and a half, 2 hours, something like that. So everything's in good shape now. We can reach out to Grundfos on your behalf if you would like. If not, it's just one of those things that happens. And from my point of view, the best course of action was replace the tank. Bradford White was not going to cover it because it was a different manufacturer. Grundfos pump that was in here. It was an existing pump. We should have known better. Well, we shouldn't have known better, but we could have just recommended upgrading the pump at that point, because we do set those pumps. I'm not sure if we'll set them anymore after this. We might switch to another manufacturer. I'm not sure, but we'd certainly like to talk to them and see if they're having this same trouble, locally, nationally. It's a huge company, but we'd like to know if there's something we could have done, or something they can do in their future manufacturing of their pumps that'll help eliminate that. Because this pump was just, the gasket was gone. I mean, it was completely rotted out. So we won't be reinstalling old material on our new installations anymore. Lesson learned. If the client is just running hard on money, then we'll eliminate the pump or any other thing outside of our new equipment, because the pump destroyed a $600 water heater, and that's just costly for everyone. So anyways, everything back installed, back insulated the way that it was, tied in. Straps are back in. We reused those because there's nothing wrong with them. We did replace the board down here. Fortunately, it's soaked up a lot of the water down there, but we do have a new piece of cement backer board in there for, just for the water heater to sit on. Outside of that, this installation is done.